the hammock for the night. August 2020. There's that says. Packed up my hammock, packing up my bag. This is the night 2 location. Setting up hammocks here, and then mine was like here. A little bit of a walk. Wake up to this view. Still day 2 in Aladdin.
Helicopter, man.
Social distancing.
Salamander on the sickest stuff, to be honest.
A few moments later.
So we made it out of fucking coronavirus ski lift at the side of this mountain. We're now on the way to this bridge. Dylan's gonna fucking jump off because he's fucking crazy. Struggling to get up this fucking mountain cat. What the fuck is that?
We actually got to go down to the tree line.
Oh, you fucking
You look like you fit in so well, like in the scenery.
camouflaged. Wow. Look at that fucking view.
Mate, they like did not practice any social distancing in that fucking thing. Like
It
when
fucking
it
pissed me
was
off.
already full, I was like, oh, sound alright. And then the other door opened and more pricks come in with bikes. I'm like, what the fuck? You know,
I was so fucking...
I was literally touching dicks with another German man. Like, it's fucking weird, man.
When that American said, "Excuse me, sir, would you mind moving?" I like
No, that was
He wasn't American. He was fucking.
his
He was
accent,
not. He
though.
was not American.
Mate, he was like fucking as Swiss as it gets. He's like, "Hello, meine Freundin, can you move in the Schlagen?" Oh, you're from Florida, that's right. You know, there's a place called Switzerland, Florida.
No way.
Yeah?
Not even
Wow.
lying. Look it up.
Dylan, you ready for your
I'm
jump?
gonna see what that looks like on film.
You ready for your course? You ready? You've done about 100 of them.
Oh, absolutely. He's a well-trained. He does.
He's
Oh, absolutely.
fucking ready.
He's followed procedure every time.
Bro,
Of
that
course,
sounds.
of course. Of course, yeah. I mean, you know, you just hope that like you fall into it. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful, this place. Das ist verboten! Das ist verboten! Marius! Das ist verboten! You're in nature, take your phone off!
What the fuck?
Hello, what are we doing here? Hello? I am getting filmed, I do not approve, yes.
That little fucker. That's. What's that? Is that Igor?
Yeah, the tiger is like
I-
is that north or south face?
So that's Igor, whatever it is.
Yeah, because that's fucking, the sun rises in the east, sets in the west. So west, east, north.
And see how it gets to a certain point. That one's not covered in snow. That one's beginning to be covered in snow.
Well, Iger isn't always
that one-
covered in snow.
Fucking. That looks as fucking cold up there.
Mate, the guy like
No
free
oxygen.
climbed up Iger with like no harness and just
Did he
speed did it.
fall? Aye.
Remember that video we watched? Oh, it's easy, mate. Easy.
Fucking
Ah, it's easy,
hell.
that one.
It's a shitty compass.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you an update when we're
Das
back.
Glatt-
Doing something. We're gonna get
That's
to the
a
bridge.
Kuchenschlagen.
Dylan's gonna jump off, and
I think Dylan should just
we'll do it.
face jump Mount
Urbex
Everest,
letters.
and then that's what he said. Well, we're doing it.
Whoa. Oh shit. This is very steep.
Okay, that's fine. Can you hold this?
Well, easy. Got me an easier way to get to that trail. Wow.
And there we are. Oh, it shakes as well when you get on it. It's a lot of fun.
Cannot believe we're here.
Cannot
Look at that
believe it.
drop. There's literally
No, that is a
fucking.
It's 1,100 meters.
That is wobbly, like, isn't it? It
know,
looks.
right?
It looks safe, though. You know what I mean? Like it.
Looks proper.
Yeah, it looks like
And
sturdy.
fucking Shy hung off the center of it, the dodgy prick.
Did
right
he?
On it. Yeah, you didn't see it on the video. He's fucking nuts. Yeah, you did as well. You had a parachute.
Mate, you fucking jumped off.
Oh, you did it? Oh, you're both nuts, mate.
Good luck, lad.
Thank you.
You going all the way across? I'm just going to do one person at a time. Wow. You just
Yeah, boy.
whoop whoop.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, we're gone. Good stuff, Marius. Good fucking stuff.
Yeah, boy.
Good job. Good job, Marius. This is it. Yeah, boy! That is fucking connected.
So they safety wired this to this with a zip tie. There's your safety wire.
Oh, fuck. Urbex Les, Matt, Odyssey,
Yes.
fucking Marius, Dylan. So, near the end of day 3, Switzerland. Marius, is it day 3? What day is it today? Thursday? Wednesday, yeah, hello lads. Come to the end of day 3. Got the fucking, probably the best view I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow. We did try and park a car, but like the place that's next to the lift is a really expensive like hotel resort kind of thing on the hill in Switzerland, as you can tell. And we were told to leave because we're trying to park in this little lay-by thing on the side, but didn't manage to stay there for long. So we had to fuck off. Paid for parking for about an hour or two. Yeah, coming end of day 3. A lot of shit happened, and a lot of adventuring. Me and Matt and boys and everything else getting along really well. But yeah, kind of on this little trail going up, and then near the bottom of the lift shaft. And next thing you know, we'll be top of the mountain. Urbex Les, peace.